Hello everyone, today here are some motivational thoughts in English. I hope you will like these thoughts. And if you like them, please like and share the video. You can also get paragraphs, letters, stories, poems and quotes of many inspirational personalities on this channel. Now, let's start our motivational thoughts. By all means, you marry. If you get a good wife, you will become happy. If you get a bad one, you will become a philosopher. Anger, if not restrained, is frequently more hurtful to us than the injury that provokes it. The only true wisdom is in knowing. You know nothing. The more I know, the more I realize I know nothing. It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. Do not say a little in many words, but a great deal in a few. The heaviest penalty for declining to rule is to be ruled by someone inferior to yourself. Rest satisfied with doing well and leave others to talk of you as they please. We choose not randomly each other. We meet only those who already exist in our subconscious. He who plays a trick must be prepared to take a joke. Thank you.